Open the printer cover and use the handle to remove the toner and the drum together. Press down on the green lever and slide the toner cartridge from the drum. Please note that the appearance of compatible products may vary. This part is the drum unit. You won't need to replace both every time. Your printer should advise which one needs replacing. If installing a new toner, remove the orange clip from the toner cartridge. Line the toner up with the drum and slide it into place. Push down and it will click into place. Slide the whole unit into the printer. You may need to use both hands to push the unit fully into the machine. The cover can now be closed.